Hey guys, today's video is a little different from what you're used to. I'm going to show you a simple process to generate realistic, human-like voices for your YouTube animations. And the best part, it's completely free. Yes, 100% free. If you run a content page, animation channel, or even storytelling videos, this is something that can seriously level up your content. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. On this channel, we tell amazing stories and share powerful tips like this whenever we find them. Now, let's get straight into why you clicked this video. Alright guys, for this process, you can use any device at all. Your laptop, your mobile phone, your tablet. As long as it has a browser, you're good to go. So, to get started, open your browser and head over to aistudio.google.com. Now, this platform is owned by Google, so you already know you can trust the quality. One thing about Google AI tools, whenever they release something new, it's usually very solid and reliable. Once you're on the website, you'll see different options available. For this video, we're going to select Master Storyteller. This is perfect if you want a narration-style voice for storytelling. If you're doing something like a podcast, you can choose other options. And if you want a more advanced voiceover, there are options for that too. But for now, click on Master Storyteller. Once you're inside, you'll see several sections: Scene, Sample Context, Speaker. Now, the speaker is where you choose your voice. Click on it and you'll see multiple voice options, both male and female. Let's quickly preview a few.
What sparks your interest?
What's a skill you'd like to develop?
Ready to make something amazing?
Ready to build something awesome today?
Ready to build something awesome today?
You'll notice these voices sound very natural, not robotic at all. So go ahead and pick any voice you like. For this example, I'll go with a male voice. Next, we have director notes. This is where you control the tone of the voice. Since we're doing storytelling, I recommend selecting empathetic. It gives you a warm, soft, and more emotional delivery. Then for pace, choose natural, so it doesn't sound too fast or too slow. You can tweak the audio profile if you want, but for now, we'll leave it as default. Now let's move to the main part, the script. For this example, we're going to use ChatGPT to generate a short story. So head over to ChatGPT and type, "Write a short story." Once it generates the story, don't copy everything at once. Instead, copy a smaller portion, just to keep things smooth and avoid errors. Then come back to AI Studio and paste it into the text box. Now here's where we take it to the next level. To make the voice sound even more realistic, we're going to generate a scene and a sample context. So go back to ChatGPT again and type something like, "I'm using Google AI Studio for voice narration. Generate a scene description and sample context that will make the voice sound natural and cinematic." ChatGPT will now generate both for you. Once it does, copy the scene description and paste it into the scene box. Then copy the sample context and paste it into its section. This helps guide the AI on how the voice should sound, the mood, the tone, and the environment. Now everything is set. All you have to do is click Run and wait for the AI to generate your voiceover. Alright, so it's done generating. Let's listen to what we got.
The last bus always came at 11:47 p.m. Everyone in the neighborhood knew that. The driver, Mr. Collins, had been driving that route for 15 years without missing a single night. Rain, snow,
Now listen to that. There's no way you'd hear this and think it's a robotic voice. It sounds clean, natural, and very human-like. And the best part, it's completely free. You can also switch languages, change accents, and adapt the voice to fit whatever type of content you're creating. So whether you're doing storytelling, animations, or faceless videos, this is a powerful tool you can start using right now. I hope this helps you improve your content and take things to the next level. Now, if you want to download your audio, just click on the download icon right here. And that's it. Your file is saved. No payment required. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe and follow for more content like this. We share tips like this regularly to help you grow and create better content. Until next time, happy content creation.